this one and a Volkswagen Golf. I remove the intake because they have sounds for sounds, air sounds. Oh, bro, you see this one, bro? It's broken. Really broke. Why broke, bro? See? Need to complete intake manifold. And also this airflow, as airflow. Cannot make a repair this one. See, in here. Intake manifold.